Now let's do the panel layout for the cabinet too. Let's draw some cable ducts. Let's say this is going to be a reference line. Of 140 millimeters for the placement of the devices. Duplicate. Let's say 7 times. We have enough room, enough space in this cabinet, so it's not that much of an issue to plan it in detail. Let's just insert our devices. Let's start with the miniature circuit breakers. First one, and then click enter the second one. Let's now insert our motor overload switches. First, second, third. Now for the contactors. First one, second, third. And our terminals. Completely. Let's put them over here. So the 400 and 230 volt AC. Just click enter for now. Second one. So they are all placed. Terminals. Now let's move those DC, 24 volt DC, a little bit higher. We don't want to have them close to the 400 and 230 volts. Just somewhere over here on the right. Let's go to the cabinet overview and copy this format just to have the legend item number. Here, and we can leave this one in here, let's say like that. Now you can make it nicer, you can also fill surface and so on, but I'll leave that one to you. And that's it for this video. Let's do the next cabinet 3 in the next one.